Hello, welcome to our channel. And listen, we would like to have you like and subscribe, and down below place a comment about this video, about the show you're about to see. This week's video is RV tips for seniors. Why do people retire? Well, some retire to maybe just play golf, work around the house. Some people decide they're going to get an RV and want to travel. So this is about wanting to do that. And the first thing is that for campers that are 55 and up, there are numerous campgrounds that cater to the senior crowd. And you can find these campgrounds at a couple of sites that I'm going to tell you about. The first one is Roaming Times. It's a campsite that features a list of campgrounds that cater to 55 and up. The site is organized by state. It's easy to navigate to the potential destinations that you plan to visit in the region. The best guide for retirement communities is whether you're searching for temporary or permanent RV sites. This website lists a variety of campgrounds and retirement communities in Arizona, California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Missouri, New Hampshire, and Texas. And you don't have to limit your travels to just senior-only campgrounds. There's many campgrounds that offer special discounts. KOA is one, and their campgrounds they've got just about any amenity that you can find on a KOA. Go Camp in America, it's another website for campers of all levels and desires. Go RVing, it's a one-stop site for everything involving RVs, and it's a site that features park and camping details, a list of RV resorts, and other resort resources. Sorry about that little noise. That's my little Yorkie Rambo. He's got a little bit of a cough, so I apologize for that. The National Park Service, I highly recommend that you get the Senior Parks Pass. We have it. It's reasonable price. You can buy a Golden Age passport for only $10. It's a lifetime pass that gives you free admission to all the national parks, forest and recreation areas, monuments, and 50% discount on camping, parking, tours, and other federal facility services at the national parks. I also recommend we have the Good Sam card, and that gives you discounts, 10 to sometimes 20 or 30%, depending on the time of the year, the campground, etc. So, get yourself a Good Sam membership. They're pretty reasonable. And they're used not only in campgrounds, but some of your fuel stops offer that. So, like Love's, I think Flying J and Pilot, but just check to make sure for that. There are some RV communities that cater specifically to seniors. RV resorts for seniors might offer activities ranging from outdoor activities to social gatherings. Go Camp in America offers a database of RV parks that are restricted to visitors 55 and older. Those communities only allow seniors to reserve spots and stay, and are a good option for senior RV travelers who don't want to have to deal with the potential ruckus that may come with a younger group. And I'm just going to give you a list of them, and you can look these up. These are the names of some of the resorts. There's Leisure Day RV Resort. They're in Zephyr Hills. Got many amenities. Real Bend RV Golf and Resort. It's in El Centro, California. They're pet friendly. And they've won numerous awards from travel and RV groups like Good Sam and Woodall's. Mary D. RV Sanctuary. It's a city close and country quiet. That's the motto of Mary D. RV Sanctuary. And it's located in Kissimmee, Florida, and is appropriate for seniors who want a quiet campground for their RV with full hookups available. And then there's Casa del Val RV Resort, and that's in Alamo, Texas. It's an RHP resort. These communities are designed with active seniors in mind. It's located near the Mexican border, allowing for some exciting cultural exploration. The resort is gated and features a fitness center, a dance hall, and is pet friendly. And that's important, by the way. If you have pets, make sure that you check the RV resort that you're going to or campground to see if they're pet friendly. When you're renting or purchasing an RV, you don't have to own a trailer or motorhome to enjoy RV camping. In fact, RVs are easy to rent. So if you're planning to spend a lot of time on the road, however, owning an RV may be a better option. But for renting, RVshare.com, they will not only, they'll deliver it, but they'll set it up. They will do just about anything you want or need. And if you have problems with the RV while you're wherever you're staying, they'll come out and they'll fix it. So RV Share is definitely recommended if you're into just renting and you want to try it out before you decide to own one. Let me give you some tips if you're planning an RV trip. These are just general guidelines. For safety and convenience, always use campsites designated for RVs. Plot your trip. It's, if possible, in order to reserve popular in-season campsites in advance. You can expect to pay anywhere from $15 to $75 for an RV campsite with water and electricity hookups. Most RVs have generators to provide power, but using electricity at campsites lessens the amount the generator is used on rental RVs. Always be courteous to fellow campers and keep noise levels to a minimum. Water is important to the quality of life on your RV, so check your fresh and refuge tanks often. We probably dump our gray and black tanks probably every 2 or 3 days, depending, because we use them all the time. Most RVs allow for cooking, and certain things taste perfect over a campfire, so pack ample supplies. Keep campfires small to conserve natural resources. Recycle whenever you can and put trash in proper containers. Don't tie animals to trees. Use a tie-down stake. Yeah, that's a very good point right there for animals. Most campgrounds will not allow you to tie an animal like that. You will have to use a tie-down stake. Make sure you pack an emergency kit and have it consist of road flares, lighter and matches, first aid supplies, batteries, a flashlight, lantern, tools, and a folding shovel. And make a checklist. Create a list of items you'd like to have on hand for RV camping, such as the following. Always have extra batteries and memory cards for a digital camera. Plenty of film if you're using a traditional camera. Binoculars, games, lawn chairs, grill and lighting fuel, shade and rain umbrellas, field guides and maps, bug spray and sunscreen, easy to dissolve and biodegradable toilet paper. Yeah, that's very important on the toilet paper. Make sure your RV, you get the kind of toilet paper that's good for an RV, because not all toilet papers are good for the RV. Because you don't have, it dissolves in an RV. It doesn't when you have a regular sewer. So just be very cautious of what you get for your toilet paper. And that's about it of what I'm going to share with you today. Like I said, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel.